In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So before you proceed, you would be able to see a link that is being attached there at the description box below. So all you need to do is you need to copy it. Now once you have copied it, navigate to the button search bar here and type for info. Here we can see that the system information is being placed at the best match. Please click on open to continue. So it's very important to know the info or the system type, whether you have Windows 11 and as well as the system type here, whether you have x64 base PC or x32 base PC before we proceed to the steps. Okay, so once you have find your OS or the system type, then we need to navigate with the button search bar again, but this time you need to type for Chrome, and once the best match should appear, please click on Open to continue. In a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the Windows search bar here and make a right click and go with this paste icon. Option. So once you have pasted it, click on the enter key and in that way you would be redirected to the result. All you need to do is you need to wait until it would be ready for you. Okay, so once ready, proceed to the top of that. You can see there an option called download. Click on it. From here, choose download as a zip file. So tap on it and wait until it would be starting to download. So this might take some time depending on the network internet that you are connected to. But if you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection, then it will only take less than a minute to download. So please wait until it would be completed before we proceed to the installation. Okay, so once downloaded, directly proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see there a download icon. Tap on it and proceed to the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, you need to make a right click and go with the cut icon. And here you need to close the window as well as this one. And from here, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment you have moved it to the desktop, you need to unzip the file. So there are two ways on how to unzip it. You can make a right click here and go with extract all, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to HP LaserJet P2015 and wait until it would be successfully extracted. Once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, then this is the time that we need to install it. So how we can do so? At the start icon, please make a right click and then scroll up and tap on settings. So from here, you need to navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it, and from here, please navigate with printers and scanners and proceed to this side which contains the add device. So tap on it and wait until you can proceed to the manual installation of this one. So go with add manually. And from here, you need to select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. So click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Click on next. And from here, click on the have disk. Browse. You need to navigate to the desktop since our extracted file is being located there. And from here, please scroll down and locate with this one, double tap to it, double tap. Or if you have a 32-bit, then proceed to this one. And if you have 64-bit, then proceed to this one. Anyway, you have find that in our first steps. Okay, double tap to it. Okay, so if no items match your search, don't worry. Okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed to this one. Okay, so please double tap to it. Okay, click on the open. Okay, so we just have to proceed with this one. Okay, okay, so if no items match your search, don't worry. All you need to do is you need to close all of the searched. Please close everything. Okay, and please navigate to the extracted file, double tap to it. Okay, double tap once again. Okay, go with the 64-bit if you have so, and it will be showing you the application. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to double tap to it. And from here, you need to click on unzip and click on OK. And a window would appear where your user account control would ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes. Okay. And wait after this would appear where you can install that. Click on yes to accept on the license agreement. Go with traditional mode. Click on next and wait until it would be done. Okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed with a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow. Can use among of this three USB port. Click on next. And from here, select this one. HP Universal Printing PCL6. Click on next. And you can rename that into HP Universal P2015. Then click on next and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay. So from here, please allow for printer sharing, or if you don't want to, you can click on this do not share this printer. So click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You just have successfully finished this one, the installation. So you can check it to the settings, okay, to check if it's being installed there. Go with the devices, okay. And from here, the devices settings, scroll down on the list and go with more devices and printer settings. Okay, so you can see that it is being shown here, meaning we have successfully installed it. So by that, you can now close the window as well as this one. Okay, close all of the windows being opened and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.